Question 1. What is the main outcome of glycolysis? Answer options are: Option A, glucose becomes one large molecule. Option B, glucose turns into two pyruvate molecules and ATP. Option C, oxygen is created. Option D, DNA is copied. Correct option is option B. Glucose turns into two pyruvate molecules and ATP. Glycolysis splits glucose and releases usable energy. Question 2. Which image best helps you remember glycolysis? Answer options are: Option A, balloon popping. Option B, a cube cracking into smaller glowing pieces. Option C, a rock falling. Option D, a cloud forming. Correct option is option B. A cube cracking into smaller glowing pieces. This image helps visualize glucose breaking apart. Question 3. What happens first in glycolysis? Answer options are: Option A, ATP is produced. Option B, the cell invests ATP to prepare glucose. Option C, pyruvate forms immediately. Option D, oxygen enters the process. Correct option is option B. The cell invests ATP to prepare glucose. Energy investment prepares glucose for splitting. Question 4. What happens after glucose is split into two pieces? Answer options are: Option A, no energy is released. Option B, each piece generates ATP and forms pyruvate. Option C, the cell stops the reaction. Option D, the pieces recombine. Correct option is option B. Each piece generates ATP and forms pyruvate. Energy payoff occurs after the split. Question 5. Why is glycolysis helpful for students to learn? Answer options are: Option A, it shows how plants grow. Option B, it shows how cells make quick energy. Option C, it makes sugar turn into fat. Option D, it explains why oxygen is purple. Correct option is option B. It shows how cells make quick energy. Glycolysis provides rapid ATP for cells. Question 6. When does your body rely heavily on glycolysis? Answer options are: Option A, when sleeping quietly. Option B, during fast activities like sprinting. Option C, when digesting food. Option D, when dreaming. Correct option is option B. During fast activities like sprinting. Fast muscle activity depends on quick ATP production. Question 7. Why imagine glucose as a glowing cube? Answer options are: Option A, it floats in the air. Option B, it cracks open to release energy sparks. Option C, it becomes a magnet. Option D, it freezes instantly. Correct option is option B. It cracks open to release energy sparks. The cracking cube represents energy release. Question 8. What free carbon molecule is formed at the end of glycolysis? Answer options are: Option A, lactate. Option B, pyruvate. Option C, acetyl-CoA. Option D, fructose. Correct option is option B. Pyruvate. Pyruvate is the final product of glycolysis. Question 9. What energy molecule does glycolysis help make? Answer options are: Option A, DNA. Option B, RNA. Option C, ATP. Option D, oxygen. Correct option is option C. ATP. ATP stores usable cellular energy. Question 10. Why can glycolysis work even when oxygen is low? Answer options are: Option A, it uses sunlight instead. Option B, it does not require oxygen to split glucose. Option C, it forms wind energy. Option D, it stops cells from working. Correct option is option B. It does not require oxygen to split glucose. Glycolysis is an anaerobic pathway. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.